The Arab invasion of North Africa, how Islam made its way to the shores of North Africa. So njalo mesibheka i-conquest ne-colonization, hlezi sibheka to the west, how ama-Europeans brought i-Christianity to Africa and colonized thina abantu. And forget ukuthi no man, Egypt is an African country. Mara no, we don't even consider it an African country. Because of Arabization, Morocco ihambile, Tunisia ihambile, Sudan iyahamba iSudan manje, the United Arab Emirates batheka iSudan because bafuna ukuthatha i-port le lapha eSudan. Yangithola, ayikho ne-one i-religion, not even one religion eyafika nge-peace la e-Africa. Christianity yafika nge-European expansion, i-Islam yafika nge-Arab expansion. Yangithola, that's why wonke ama-religion langa cannot coexist nabantu without subjugating abantu. Yangithola, whether they do it by a gun or whether they do it by indoctrination. Mara ayikho i-foreign religion, not even one foreign religion can coexist nabantu. So why labandaba they are always invading thina abantu, and what is it about thina esenza ukuthi hlezi sibe vulnerable to always be invaded? Yangithola, is it like ubuntu? Is it because sinobuntu, or is it because si-weak? Yangithola, is it because si-weak? So obas angeke ngisho ukuthi what's the issue yabo, mara I do believe lento le yo ubuntu is an issue nayo ngokwayo yabo. But the solution which can be proposed for now bafethu ukuthi kumele sihlangane singabantu, senze rekopane ribathu. Yangithola, ngoba labantu laba ayikho umuntu who cares about umuntu omnyama, because despite umuntu omnyama, ngoba yimi kuphela, yimi nawe kuphela who know how it feels to be African, who know how it feels to be black, yangithola, who knows how it feels to be oppressed, yangithola, who knows how it feels to be exploited, yangithola, by ama-European forces, by ama-Arab forces. And if asibhekanga, even ne-China, even ne-Russia izosicolonizer nayo ngokwayo, yangithola. So kumele si-unite bafethu, yangithola, ukuze wonke lama-religion langa, wonke labantu laba abafuna ukusubjugate, sokwazi ukubamela, sokwazi ukuba against bona, yangithola. Divided we fall, united we stand.